Hello everyone, welcome to the Conservation Science and Community course. My name is Laura Abondano and I will be your instructor for this semester. You might be wondering where I'm at. I'm in this beautiful place in the Amazon Andes, like a cloud forest in Cusco, Peru. As I'm leaving the station, I'm recording this video for you all to tell you where I usually am when I'm not in my office in Oxford, Ohio. So this is honestly one of my favorite courses to teach because it provides kind of like a general background of what conservation is really like, integrating both the social and ecological aspects of it. So for example, right now here I'm like immersed in this beautiful rainforest, but a lot of the work that we do here is actually talk and co-develop conservation strategies with local communities. One of the part of the work that I was doing here with some of my students, which are walking a little bit ahead, is talking to people and, for example, understanding what are their cultural connections with the biodiversity in the area, from the different stories that they have, the interactions that they have with different primates, which is my main focus, but also with snakes, with birds, like what are some of the stories about when an owl is calling, when they see a snake crossing their path in the forest, right? And how they have this cultural connections, biocultural connections with the people, with the biodiversity that surrounds them. So that is one of the things that we're going to be doing in this course, is kind of like identifying which are your communities, right? How people are interacting with ecological dynamics in their area, and really understanding this from a systems approach of the social and ecological dynamics, how they are integrated, right? And how we can use this knowledge to develop effective conservation strategies that meets both people needs, right? As well as protecting ecological and biodiversity in your communities. So I'm really excited to getting to know all of you, understanding or learning a little bit more about your communities, where you're at, and how this understanding of social ecological dynamics can provide this perspective on how to develop effective conservation strategies for the protection of biodiversity in your areas, as well as meeting local community needs. Really looking forward to it, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.